Hey there. Have you heard the latest buzz in the world of cybersecurity? This one's a game changer. Chinese researchers have just broken RSA encryption using quantum computers. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive into what happened and why you should be paying attention. Researchers from Shanghai University, led by Wang Chao, pulled off a major feat. They used a D-Wave quantum computer to break RSA encryption. This isn't just any encryption we're talking about. RSA is the backbone of securing sensitive data online. From web browsers to VPNs and even email services, RSA is everywhere. And now, thanks to quantum computers, it's facing a serious threat. These researchers used quantum annealing algorithms to crack a 22-bit RSA integer. While that might sound small, it's a massive step forward. Quantum computers excel at solving complex mathematical problems, something traditional computers struggle with. This breakthrough means that data protected by RSA encryption could be at risk much sooner than we thought. And get this, the D-Wave quantum computers used in this research are commercially available. You can rent them for $2,000 an hour. These machines have over 5,000 qubits and can handle computations that are impossible for regular computers. It's like having a superpower in the world of computing. Now, what does this mean for you and me? Well, it raises some serious concerns about the future of data security. Experts predict that RSA 2048 encryption, a more robust version, could be broken within 24 hours using quantum computers in the next 30 years. That's pretty alarming. Organizations and governments need to act fast. The race is on to develop quantum-resistant encryption methods. Apple, for instance, has introduced a new security protocol for iMessage called PQ3, designed to resist attacks from both classical and quantum computers. This proactive approach is exactly what's needed. The breakthrough in quantum computing highlights the urgent need for PostQuantum Cryptography, or PQC. PQC involves developing new cryptographic algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers. This is crucial for securing everything from online banking to e-commerce and confidential communications. Organizations like the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, are working hard to develop and standardize these PQC algorithms. But it's a race against time. As quantum computers get more powerful, the window to secure our data narrows. So what can you do? Stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. Following trends in cybersecurity is more important than ever. Keep yourself on fire with information security tutorials. Whether you're a professional or just someone interested in staying safe online, these tutorials can help you stay on top of the latest threats and defenses. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in cybersecurity. Stay safe and stay secure. Till next time.